Let us start the session by inviting our Honorable Director, Dr. P.A. Habib Rahman, respected Chief Guest, Dr. Sri Gandhi, Advocate A.A. Abul Hasan, Secretary, Professor Sharja Aziz, Head of Department MCA, Dr. Muhammad Sajad, Head of Department MBA, and other faculty members and beloved IMATians. I am really pleased to welcome all the newbie students to your fifth day of orientation programs. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that has its root in statistics, maths, and computer science. It is all about extracting, analyzing, visualizing, managing, and storing data to create insights. It is one of the most highly sought after jobs due to abundance of data science position and lucrative pay scale. Today, let's explore what is data science and its pros and cons and prevailing misleadings. I request our backbone of the institution, Dr. P. A. Habib Rahman, Director, MEA Zaimat, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you. Most respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Srikanth B., Senior Knowledge Officer, ICT Academy, HOD MCA Sharija Aziz, HOD MBA Dr. Muhammad Sajad, my fellow faculty colleagues, and my dear MCA 71 students of 2020 and their parents who may be attending this program. Once again, good morning and welcome you all. We live in a world where data is the most precious asset of every organization. Why is it so? Because, to be too frank about, data rules the world. It's the data, nothing else. It's not money power or land power or anything else. Data occupies the topmost position as far as an organization is concerned, a country is concerned, and for everyone, it has become so vital, so important, which nobody dreamed maybe 5-10 years back that a position like this data will be having because of its capability to manipulate and come out with so many findings. Dream of. Hello. That is the prominence the data occupies and what it is, how it is used. So we have got a wonderful, knowledgeable resource person, Dr. Srikanth. It's just like more than a faculty of our own college because we know that whenever he takes a session, he makes it very particular that whatever is being taught, be it data or anything else, is clear to the audience from end to end. So that way, the topic demystifying data science is the most appropriate coinage of the. Because after attending this program, the entire students, the entire audience, entire guests who are attending this program will be able to understand what are the uses, what are the possibilities. This will be made crystal clear by our able resource person, Dr. Srikanth. I, on behalf of its management, entire faculty colleagues, and students assembled here, welcome you for today's program.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
MCA HOD Sharija Aziz has taken a lot of interest for conducting this program. MBA HOD Dr. Muhammad Sajad is also keenly attending this program, and he has also contributed in a big way for arranging this program. I'm not taking each one of the others, but being the HODs of this organization, one of the pillars of this, I formally welcome both of you for today's program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I welcome the entire faculty college who have taken a lot of pain for conducting, especially the pain taken by Jibin sir, requires a special mention. Taking much time. Last but not the least, the most important is our students itself. My request to students is that after listening Dr. Srikanth, whatever doubts you are having, please feel free to ask, because here we have a wonderful resource person who can clarify doubts you are having on this very important and vital area in respect of the course which you are going to pursue, that is the data. I, on my behalf and on behalf of the entire team, MES IMAT, I welcome the entire students for this program. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for your simple and humble words. Everybody is talking about data science these days, but it can hurt to get your head around exactly what data science is and how to enter and understand the field, both as practitioner and as a business stakeholder. Today, Dr. Srikanth D, Senior Knowledge Officer, ICT Academy of Kerala, aims to demystify the dark arts of data science. He has conducted many training programs and various international and national publications in reputed journals and referred books related to the area of cryptography, cloud computing, and machine learning. He is also the winner of Kerala Government e-Governance Award. He has conducted numerous student and faculty development programs in the state and also acted as a resource person for various corporate training in the technology domain such as data science and system design. And I'm very honored to welcome our guest of the day, Mr. Dr. Srikanth D. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Afina. So I think I can start the session, right? Need to check whether I'm audible or not. Any one of you can give me feedback?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
So you are audible.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Audible,
Thank you,
sir. Audible.
Thank you. Thank you. So again, as Habib Rahman sir mentioned, right? So we have a long association with a long time association with MES IMAT. So yeah, whenever we are allowing him to discuss in the initial to get it involved in the initial discussions, he will set up some great expectations. That may be trouble for actually to the resource person. So I just wanted to say you all the right friends. I will try to convey some great messages about data science. And also I wanted to know, I know that you are just, as Safna mentioned, you are young buddies, right, to the newbies to the institution. So again, friends, sir was mentioning about, he was actually fixing the context in a vibrant manner, because it is data is going to be the oil of the century. There is no doubt on that. So our concern, our discussions regarding our discussions, especially towards data, before entering into the data science, we'll have to set up a context, right? So I'm slowly moving into the presentation session. I think that will be helpful to have a discussion. Again, I know that I'm just presenting this. Please let me know once it is shared. Yeah. Is it fine? Is it loaded? So sorry.
Yes, sir.
I think
Okay,
I
okay.
think it is loaded, right? Yes. All right. So the assigned responsibility over here is again demystifying data science. Okay, I'm slowly entering into the topic, but even though being friends actually from newbies, especially into the college, I just wanted to hear from you all. Again, I would strongly hope that this will be an interactive session. I think I just need to get an S from everybody as that you will be interacting with me, right? In all the aspects, right? I'm just looking into the chat box. Can you just give me me a yes or no? Right, we need to have an interactive session. I wanted to make it sure that everybody is there. Just yeah, I just wanted to hear from the students. Can you just give me a yes or no? Right, so we wanted to make it very interactive. In the chat
Yes,
box
sir.
is also fine. Thank you, Daniel. Chat box is also fine. If you can give me some yes, 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 or no, right? Whatever may be, right? So yeah, around 70 students are here, right? So all right, great. So we will move to the presentation, right? So friends, right? Again, it is December, month of December, right? I'm just going to set up a new expectation, right? Every year, this is actually my case. So every year, I myself used to try to be myself. I will take a resolution like that, but circumstances changes. Likewise, the circumstances, the bad effect of circumstances, what we had during this time, during this 2020 was actually horrible. But let us start with a great hope. Excuse me.
ടാഗിങ് ഉണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ അവിടുത്തെ നെറ്റാ പ്രശ്നം എന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് സാധാരണ ഡയറക്റ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Excuse me. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Any troubles in between?
No problem, sir. No problem. You can proceed.
Okay. So every year, right? Let us hope for a fantastic new year at 2021. So again, it is December. I had a personal interaction with your faculties and all. So again, so came to know that you haven't come to the college yet. But even though we would strongly hope that you will have a great time at college because of from our experience, right? So you will get an exposure, you will get a good time there. Everything, faculty, a great supportive faculty fraternity is there. I think you will get a great support from everybody. So let us hope for the 2021, right? So all of us will be there in the college. So again, yeah, day one in your college. So if you are thinking, if you are asking us, day one as a postgraduate student, right? So as a student to the Department of Post Graduation, especially in the computer science and applications. So day one in your college will be something like this. So you will enter into the campus. You can see some of your great old friends are also joined MCA, and so I think you can have a great smile. So you are here. Of course, this is actually a good positive side, but even though yeah, right, some sort of kind of an expectations also will be here, right? So this can be a feeling. Maybe sometimes your favorite professor is not at all. The realization of your favorite professor is not coming there as your class coordinator. So this can be a feeling in that moment, right? So yeah, if something, a bitter experience comes into the picture. Of course, when syllabus comes into the picture, right, you may be wondering that, hey friends, is it not my cup of tea? Right, the kind of a feeling will be there, especially in this. right? So you might have or had kind of an experience in your UG time also. I just wanted to hear from you whether are you agree with me or not. Just give me a yes or no in the chat box. I'm just going to open the chat box, right? I just wanted to hear from you whether my thought process is on track with you or not. Let me see that. So, okay, friends, so you're saying again it is no, not at all, right? So, many of you does not have a kind of a feeling, right? I'm not getting enough support. All right, all right. So yeah, that is the kind of a feeling that can be there in day one in our college, right? So what is next after day one? Probably you might have a great experience there, but even though day one and all, so what's up for you is next is actually, right? Is it something like this? Every time studies likewise, right? So what is it? Is it something like that? If you are asking yes or no, yes is there, right? Majority of yeses will be there, right? And no is also there because negotiation skill, kind of a skills and everything we'll have to learn from the institution. There is no doubt. So, yeah, of course, apart from studies, we'll have to concentrate on our right. So other some fun related activities and all. There is no doubt. So again, what's up for you, right? So there will be a lot more than that of studies, right? So yeah, here is in the second picture, you can see that you will get an enough support actually to try it out something, right? If you're comparing this with the computer science world, this will be like writing a program to infinity, right? And you are looking at your faculty member, right, how to break this, right? So it may be running to infinity and the loop may be continuing to the end, right? So but even though you will get an opportunity to explore that because you will get a great opportunity over there in the campus, but if you have once you have come out of the campus, it won't be there because you are into the real world, and everywhere you can see that everybody is going to talk based on the business. So the kind of a feeling can be expected from there, right? So yeah, of course, the best time in your career, best time in your life, maybe it can be the college life, right? Especially into the grown-up stage. That is actually you are in the post-graduation session, right? So yeah, again, what is actually your experience in campus, right? It is a beautiful little world. You'll have your little dreams, fantasies, pain, gain, everything, right? So I would strongly hope that you will get a beautiful time there, right? So yeah, apart from the studies, right, co-curricular things and everything will comes into the picture, right? So yeah, you'll get a good opportunity over there to explore there itself because interconnection between the industries, having invited talks over there to get the exact immense of the industry, what is expectations, right? So apart from all this comes together, right? All this when all this comes together, this will be a great opportunity for you to explore further. So that is the requirement of having the college life here, right? So but once you have completed, what is the expectation from outsiders? Outsiders may have on you is none other than will be expecting to have a great professional like you, professional who knows subject. Yeah, of course, there is no compromise on that. Who possess leadership skills, right? How to get it that? Yeah, of course, that has to get it trained from the institution itself, right? Above all, we need to have right character. So that is whenever if you have a right character, right, your level of optimization will be very high, and I think you can move further without any hurdles. So again, yeah, you may be wondering that whether why am I talking about these features and all, right? Is it necessary? Is it connected with the data science and all? My topic is demystifying data science, right? Some of you may be wondering whether why am I talking this much of on this, because this is the essential crux whenever this is exactly what happens when you are entering into your campus, right? So at the outset, friends, whenever whatever may be the norm, the two things, right? At the outset, whenever you are coming out of the campus, this is going to be the kind of expectation that is required for the industry. So again, so what is actually, why do we wanted to have this much of trouble? So how to be a good professional, right? So whenever professional, in the sense, you should have a capacity to solve the problem, right? If you wanted to solve the problem, you will have to connect the three necessary skills what we have discussed is required. What is it, right? So business domain knowledge is required. That is the subject knowledge is required. Your character should be really good, right? Kind of things are needed, right? So there is actually a common saying that this world is full of problems. A kind of a saying it is there, right? So what we can do is that can be the scope of a professional. So as a professional, if you are going to come out come out from the campus, this is going to be the scope for you, everyone, right? You may be, sometimes you may have a random thought on your mind that does this MCA course will make sense, right? Does it will be useful for my career, for my life, etc., right? Here is an answer. I can probably towards the end you will get an answer for that. So yeah, this is actually the scope of a professional, right? So can you imagine a world without engineers? Engineers, in the sense, don't think that those who are completed engineering is engineers, right? So those who have the capacity to solve the problem, even though you does not have an engineering degree, right? In that case, you may be. You can take the ideal personality as Steve Jobs, right? So without any kind of a degrees, still his products are rocking the world, right? So can you imagine without engineers? I have some sort of some branches, right? So here, let us just think about mechanical engineers, right? Everywhere you can see that kind of products are, the necessity of kind of products are very much, it is there in the market. Think about electrical engineers. What happens now? Electrical, whenever if you are dealing with electrical engineers, so yeah, of course, yeah, everywhere it is one of the kind of a requirement, right? So think about computer engineers. Of course, we are here, right? Maybe we are here, maybe calculating, we are converting our data into the binary format and all, right? We are still in the calculation. So computer engineers are there. Telecommunication engineers, right? So of course, communication, right? Communication is one of the major requirements in the current scenario. What about aeronautical engineers? We should have some Abdul Kalams, right? But it is it was actually a unique combination, right? As a scientist, as a humanitarian, right? So kind of a person. It is actually a very difficult combination, like a person like Sri Kalam. But you know that this is actually needed, right? A kind of facility is also needed. This is one of the major requirements in the current scenario, right? So think about civil engineers, right? So again, everywhere, what we are coming to say you now here is everywhere this is connected to a technology enabled solution. Can you find a technology enabled requirement in all disciplines, right? If you are just going back, we can see that there is actually a requirement of technology enabled solutions, right? You may be wondering that mechanical field, the people who are working in the mechanical field is storing a maximum amount of data. That means you may be knowing that every machines, every vehicles are, as of now, it is GPS enabled. So it is tracking all the data and wanted to store the all moves movement of the cars or the vehicle. In that case, which comes into the picture, right? So what about electrical engineering? As of now, everywhere, right? So everywhere we know that we are talking about the electricity consumption, the requirement of electricity for the next month, all those details. Again, it is actually purely based on data, right? Based on the consumption during the summer season, whether we will be evaluating how we can adjust this during the winter season, etc. Right? So, kind of an analysis, a mindset should be there. What is next? Of course, we are here, right? So, everywhere, right? You can see that your Facebook is going to be an application dealing with data. Your Insta is there. Your any of that. If you wanted to think on Flipkart, nothing but it is running based on data, right? What is next? It is all about telecommunication engineering. Communication engineering in the sense, right? We'll have to communicate, right? So as of now, there is actually a revolutionary change was introduced by Jio. Don't think that I am a great fan of Jio. Okay, so Jio, right? So 1G per day, something like that. 4G comes into the picture, right? So that and all is actually a revolutionary kind of a change, right? Again, all of the other providers also had to change into that kind of a mode, right? So that kind of facility, right? So whenever if you wanted to communicate, who does this? The routing algorithm and everything. It is actually in our hands, right? So the computer technology expert has a role here. What about aeronautical engineering? Right, so everywhere the capacity, right? So what is actually the total luggage weight in the dash that will be calculated by the systems, right? The aerodrome, aeroplane routing, landing and hosting algorithms, right? Again, that is based on our algorithms, right? So computer science based algorithms, right? Ultimately, what happens is everywhere you can see that it is connected with the ICT. That means information and communication technology enabled service. So here is the civil engineers, right? So all the plans, everything is connected with this. So civil engineers has got a role, but it can be easily connected with the system, right? So with this, I'm just asking friends, can you just imagine that in any of the kind of fields, right, without having a particular IT enabled or ICT enabled solution there, does it make sense, or does it possible for them to survive? In this scenario, right, the people like you have joined for a post-graduation in computer science and maybe in computer applications, right? So we'll get an opportunity because you don't want to stick on, especially only on programming, right? There is a huge opportunity for you in every discipline. So because aeronautical engineer may not be knowing how to code, right? So even recently also, right, we had a requirement from ISRO saying that it is impossible for them to, right, in the analyze all the data which is actually sending receiving from the satellites. In the earlier stages, it was not there. Occasionally only we had a chance to get some of the data or photos. But in the current scenario, it is not like that. Communication is there is actually a good communication in between satellite and our remote space. So what happens? The images are collecting within fraction of seconds from there, and it will send to the source, right? So in that case, what happens is they are, because of they are incompatible, right? I'm not saying that ISRO is incompatible for their works, but in this case, data comes into the picture, right? So huge amount of data comes into the picture. They are helpless. So this is the scenario, friends. Again, right, why we needed is actually just keep your eye open and walk through, right? You will get an opportunity. That is the kind of facility, that is a kind of situation what we have. So in every department, you just randomly pick anything, right? In every department, you can see there is actually a room for a technology enabled solution. There is actually a requirement of having a technology enabled solution. So friends, what we are coming to say here is, say this is data. Even though I would strongly hope that I have just in a different way, through a different path, I have entered into the identified or into the topic which is assigned to me. It is none other than data. Every word at the outset, we should say, we will have to say that we are talking based on data, right? So in every discipline, the requirements are either we can convert this into the another format, saying it is a technology enabled requirement. So here is here is actually, you may be wondering about this 2040 FIFA World Cup winners, right? The champions. There is no doubt, right? Because you may be wondering that does we had any connect of data among this, right? You may be wondering that they have perfectly used. Of course, this was actually a great bitter experience for all the Brazilians, especially in Kerala, right? So Brazil, within half an hour, they have scored like this, 5 goals within half an hour. What was actually, Brazil is actually not a bad team, right? That was actually a big trouble. That was actually a big, say, mindset issue to all of our Brazilian fans, because within half an hour itself, the game was over. 5 goals, right? So that much of a trouble was there during that time, right? How did Germany did this? What was actually their track? What was they did was actually they say 5-0 in 30 minutes was it is impossible to thereafter for a team to come back, right? So yeah, here is actually what they did was actually they have perfectly analyzed every details of their team members, right? So what is actually the tension rate, what is the pressure rate while we are taking the penalty, what is actually their mindset, all kind of data that will get communicated to the system. Again, what will happen is say kind of a census collects all the information of a player. So level of oxygen, base device, right? EMG, motion sensor, everything, heart rate, blood pressure, everything will be collected, right? Based on a systematic, of course, this is none other than it is data, right? So this is actually of course, it is not allowed. It is not allowed during the final match, but they have used this during every practice matches, and they have identified that if you wanted to take the penalty, during a particular time, it will be always great to take this player. Likewise, another thing what they did was actually they have properly analyzed their opponents' team players' major weakness with the data, right? Thus, they have identified that Brazilians' left wing is actually weak, and they have used their right players. They have distributed. They have put their right players in the against that left wing, and they have executed. right? It is not a it is not a simple thing, yeah. It is actually had happened in a World Cup final, right? World Cup final. So that much of essential things, right? Then only they have revealed that they had used my coach has actually a technology enabled solution to collect the data, right? It was developed by Adidas, right? So here is actually another case, Match Insight. So every field, every moment, every details will be there in the dashboard of the coach or maybe the respective person. So that was sufficient for us to move further. So this is actually developed by SAP, one of the companies you may be knowing, right? So they are good in, of course, in data storage and their analytics. So this is actually happens. This is actually what happens whenever we are dealing with the whole say requirement. This is actually a timely requirement arise during that, especially in the football, right? You may be wondering that how technology can contribute to the football. If you have an idea contest, right? See, we can see that nobody is proposing in the current scenario also kind of some ideas, right? So many of our friends are proposing some, say, irrigation system to the field, motivating the players. All those details are there. Kind of unique, think out of boundaries kind of a facility is needed in the current scenario. So these all are the things which is happening in the background. So what is next comes into the case is actually, this is actually a sensor IoT enabled. What is another term in the current scenario we'll have to discuss is IoT, Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? So Internet of Things is actually sensors will collect the data, right? So yeah, of course, if you wanted to make it sure that your Idukki Dam is going to get it filled by Wednesday, right? That the sensors can collect the surrounding areas, right? Rain, the centimeters of rain which is available, which was available, which was actually obtained there, right? That can be collected and get communicated into a single system, and can make an analysis that, hey friends, your dam is actually going to get filled on by this much time. That is actually, yeah, of course, right? You are going to learn statistics, bit of statistics, right? So to make prediction, right? So based on if this is the scenario, if this is the situation which continues, then you will be there. Likewise. So this is so what we can do, right? So yeah, of course, if you're traveling, right? So from to your home, right? So your refrigerator is going to send you a message saying that, hey friend, before right reaching home, right, before leaving the nearby city, your refrigerator is going to send you a message saying that, hey friends, your your milk is not available. It will be great to purchase milk if you wanted to have tea. So that is there. All right. So you can, you might have seen some of the applications like you can switch on your lights from outside. You can switch on your air conditioner from outside. So that is and all. It is again, friends, without an indication, without passing a request from one location to another location, it is impossible. It is impossible. What we are passing now is none other than data. So that is the requirement of data science. So again, you may be wondering that what does this data science does or do for us is generate new insights, knowledge. What is actually the new insight? New insight was actually, right, your dam will get it filled by within a short span. That is actually the new insight. The knowledge, by combining aspects of statistics, applied mathematics, computer science, and visualization. Think about that, friends. This is the opportunity for you all. Statistics, mathematics, computer science, and visualization, combined everything together. Nobody can right, block you, right? So you are going to wrong. So this is data science. Normally, there is actually a comparison used to ask everywhere, what is actually difference between data analytics and data science? In that case, it is very simple. Based on data, if you are going to generate a summary out of data saying that that is going to be a uh, data analytics. That means, yeah, your based on your percentage of marks in the class, sir or coordinator is going to make an assumption that your performance is not bad. So that is analytics. But even though what is data science? Data science is actually based on the available data. We are going to make a prediction something. We are going to make a prediction. Hey friends, if you are going like that, you'll get 4 ideas in the during final semester. So that is going to be prediction, right? Based on your first year's or first sem's performance, right? So our system is going to predict saying that there is actually, if you are not concentrating much on your studies, or if you are not thinking in a different manner, that is also important. You might have studied, right? You might have taken the effort, but even though if you are not in that manner, it will be again. That is the data science comes into the picture. So everywhere, thus you can see that friends, you can see that data science is there, right? During your first day or second day itself, you will see what is actually an information system. That can be a great entry for you all to be there. Right, I'm because I'm why I'm coming to say you is I know that you have completed your BCA or BSc Computer Science and all. But even though why we are saying so, why we are you have a strong background in computer science. But even though, right, even till now you haven't tracked that, even till now you haven't identified that. So in that case, say friends, this can be an opportunity for you to explore more, because there's much of an opportunity is there through in the world. So the relevance comes into the picture, right? You might have heard this jargon words. Don't worry about this all the words now, right? So if you wanted to learn, of course, it is always great to learn what is actually data type. Even if you have an unstructured data, try to learn how to manage that. All those details is required. As of now, you just don't think about artificial intelligence or machine learning, because it is right. Slowly, you will be there if you are really interested. So data science is actually a combination for every department. Like big data, what is big data? Huge amount of data comes into the picture, right? Without data science, can we manage that? Impossible, because data science is going to be the base of everything. What is all about artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural network, deep neural network, and all, right? So artificial intelligence is actually, if you have created a bot, that is, as of now, people are trying to create a bot which is actually that much great or that much efficient as such as like human being. Of course, that random thought process is not there for the artificial intelligence. As of now, everywhere research is happening, which is actually running behind everything to incorporate kind of changes. So that is the relevance of data science here. So the business, if you are just talking about the business of data mining, I'm just going to quote one old picture, right? SPS is actually statistical package for social sciences. It is actually a data analytical package that was acquired by IBM in 2009, right? So for that, the cost was itself was actually 1.2 billion. Even the sir was actually mentioning that this is going to rogue because huge businesses there everywhere, because that is the truth, because it had happened in 2009 itself, right? That means IBM has realized the power of data, or kind of a tool, the requirement of kind of a tool in the upcoming days. Again, sir was mentioning that it was not there in the 2000 time and all. It was not a buzzword during that time. True. right? So this is actually comes into the picture now, because as of now it is booming like anything, because you may be knowing, right? So by as of now, analytics is actually $100 billion business. End of that means as of now, we would strongly hope that this is actually exceeded 320 billion now, because of this pandemic situation. Everywhere, all of us are into the virtual world. Nobody might not have been expected kind of a scenario ever before while creating this prediction, because kind of a scenario was not there in the past history, in the near past, right? So that is actually the business, right? So business is everywhere in data science, right? So that is an, yeah, you can see that everywhere data mining businesses are happening. Amazon, eBay, PayPal, Google, Facebook, right? Facebook, right? So if we have met in a single place today, right? Let us assume that we had a get together at MES IMAT. So what will happen, right? Once you get back to your home, you will get a Facebook suggestion that you may be knowing him or her, right? So that much brilliant is actually in the current scenarios. The systems are. All right. You may be wondering another cases, right? Some beautiful scenarios are also there, like Facebook and all, right? If you have searched something for a mobile phone in Flipkart, you'll get a an advertisement over there in the in your Facebook saying that 100 rupees reduced for your favorite phone. Likewise. So what happens now? This is actually a business logic engines are running, right? They are continuously monitoring us, as they are continuously monitoring our actions. So then they are going to realize that this can be a prospective customer, right? We do have an MBA department also there. I think some of your faculty, the professors, right there, will discuss you more if you want, if you're really interested. Kind of a scenario can be developed. It was not there as like right. We are just creating an advertisement in or distributing, creating an advertisement in the newspaper, right? So the targeting people may be different, right? If you have created an advertisement in right in a newspaper, and you have created, in the current scenario, you have created a advertisement in social media, right? You can see that the target exact reach for that advertisement is in social media, because that has got a mindset of mapping. That means a kind of analytics is running behind. Then only they are going to distribute. But in the newspaper ad, it is actually to everybody. Conversion of an idea may be some very minimal in percentage, right? So this is the business of data mining. Various roles in data science. You can be a data creator, data scientist, data manager, data librarian. Yeah, as of now, various some other roles are also there. So again, with that data science is actually, whenever if you wanted to deal with huge amount of data, the data science comes into the picture. So a systematic movement, identification of data, systematic analysis of data is required to make a decision. Okay, so that is all. So if you are asking us about various tools for data science, okay, don't worry much on the tools now. Initially, yeah, if you have unstructured data, you can use your MongoDB, MySQL. Of course, you do have a facility of your relational database. If you wanted to change it into query languages can be used. If you wanted to process it in the online streaming, the Spark is actually a tool. Yeah, great. Python programming comes into the picture. Everywhere you can see that Python is there. If you wanted to create a model, what is actually a model? Model means based on the data, we are just going to create a model, right? So based on the learning, right, we are going to create a model to predict whether rain prediction system. That means is there any possibility to get it trained tomorrow or not? So that is the model. Based on the data, we can learn something out of it, right? So model, right? Right? Visualizing tools. So the visualization comes into the picture, right? To make a to say that, hey friends, you are yeah, this is actually the data. It is just like, right? If you are just going to give the summary of a match, maybe a 2020 match in a tabular format, that may not be that much effective. But if you have a bar chart, right, it makes sense, right? You can have a comparison saying that, during 15 to 20, the maximum score during that time, right? So that is the visualization part. Everything it is connected together, because the identification, the presentation of data is also very much important. Yeah, this is the opportunity, right? Demand of data scientists could outpace by by 2024. This is it is actually in US itself is saying, right? So everywhere there is actually a requirement of data science, right? So during our time also, we had only right. We are also your faculty members, your respected faculty members, and including me, all other friends also have come through this same learning process. But even though during that time we had only an opportunity to become a programmer or a software engineer, likewise. And then slowly testing kind of a jobs comes into the picture. But friends, this is going to be a huge opportunity for everybody, right? I came to know that you had an introduction to the career introduction to the course, especially on cybersecurity and all, right? So because of whenever or cybersecurity and all comes into the picture, it's actually because of the huge amount of data, right? If you are if you are dealing with huge amount of data, so how effectively can you secure? So that is going to be big trouble, right? So again, the ultimate answer is machine learning or artificial intelligence, right? So everything can be get connected with the system in every financial applications, IT, professional services, everywhere you can connect this with this, right? I haven't discussed anything, some rocket science words at this point in time. Probably if I'm getting an opportunity, I'll do that also, right? So at this point in time, this is sufficient for you to start. So again, yeah, that's all from my part. I'm just leaving with this thought, right? This is your campus. You will leave the campus in few years, but your campus will live in you forever. So all the very best for all the MCS parents, right? So yeah, you'll have a great time. I would strongly hope that you'll have a great time at your campus. Explore every moment, enjoy every moment, right? Do what you love, right? So you are ultimately going to rock in the field of IT or ICT. So thanks to everybody. I am available for the Q&A. But again, thanks to respected director, of all professors and all other stars of the institution for inviting me to have an interaction with your newbies. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for an amazing talk. Now the session is open to audience. If you have any doubts, you can ask him directly.
Sir, what are the essential skills required for a data science job to be acquired?
Yeah, good. Who have asked that?
It's me, Daniel.
Yeah, you're asking about Daniel. You're asking about the essential skills, right? So
Yes.
if you're asking about the essential skills, right? So that is connected with the data science life cycle. What is a data science life cycle says is you'll have to collect data initially, right? Then you have to pre-process. That means once you are collecting the data from a location, it may not be right in the required format for our Right. So it may not be in the required format. But that is there. What is next? Next is actually we'll have to process it. So what is needed now is actually if you are looking at right, so if you are in the bird's eye view, right, if you are asking like this, right, then we could say that the essential skills are a bit of programming is required, a bit of the mathematics is required, a bit of statistics is required, right? If you do have a good skill, especially in this cover, in this RAM, right? So I think you can crack further, right? It is anything. It is connected with the life cycle. Is that clear, Daniel?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Thank you.
So, in your opinion, which is the best data science tool?
Somebody was Fatima. I am answering to your question. You are asking about the best data science tool, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Fatima, so I can't say that because n number of tools are available. Again, that can be identified based on your requirement. If you are good at programming, I would strongly hope that Python is excellent for you, right? To go with Python, you can write your own customized functions. N number of tools are available to SPSS, to Tableau, to Mehert, n number of tools are available. But even though the customization of requirement is required, I think, Fatima, it is better to go for Python as a programming language to write your own customized requirement.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, there are some questions in the chat box.
Thanks, Akbar Shah, for sir, actually for the for noting it down. Thank you so much. So Fatima is a data science deal with a huge amount of data. Then how can we assure the security of the data or loss of data? Wow, that is the requirement, which is actually again whenever let us assume that we are just directly accessing a source from different locations. System will get down. There's no doubt. So in that case, let us assume that a fraudulent transaction is also happening in the credit card. In the peak hours, in a mall kind of a situation, thousands of requests will comes into the picture, right? Maybe during that time, a fraudulent transaction also may be there. But even though once it is huge amount of data, your rule-based engine will be in trouble. What is actually a rule-based engine? Select username, comma, password from your table. It is a rule-based engine. But because in that case, your rule-based engine get failed. But how to overcome it? There is no other way or none other than we'll have to overcome it with the help of our maybe the next level, right? So once it is trained, right, that query we may not have to inject. More than that, we'll get a reply that this person can be a threat, a kind of an identification there. In that case, machine learning and artificial intelligence will help you to do that, Fatima. Is that clear, Fatima?
Hello, sir.
Anika, does data scientists need to know code?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Thank you, Fatima. Right, Anika is actually, does data scientists need to know coding? And will you please give me a clear idea about the difference between data mining and data science? Data mining is the base term which you wanted to know whether how to mine data from various locations, right? Data science is actually based on the how are you going to evaluate, how are you going to make a productive insight on further future prediction based on the mined data is data science. Okay, mined data is data science. Is that clear, Anika?
Okay, sir, it's clear.
Thank you.
It's clear, sir.
Thank you. Sir, nowadays we could We use cloud for data storage. Is it expensive to see or not? Yeah, cloud is actually. So the primary business model of cloud is to reduce the price, to reduce the price. Other than the server right dedicated hosting environment and all, cloud is actually it is actually much cheaper in the current scenario. That is actually I wanted to say, but even right. Yeah, of course, because of the facility, right? You may have to pay more, right? Because that much of great facility is there in the cloud environment. Actually, is that clear? Ashwati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Clear.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, Shri. Sahad, yeah, come on in.
Hello. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
can
please.
I ask in Malayalam?
Yes, please.
ഹലോ ഓക്കെ. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളിപ്പോ സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫേസ്ബുക്കോ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്തൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ കൂടി കടന്നു പോകണം. അതായത് ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു ഗൂഗിളിന്റെ സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോൺ, എല്ലാ ആൻഡ്രോയിഡ് ഫോണും ഗൂഗിളിന്റെ ആൻഡ്രോയിഡ് OS ആണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോൺ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ആളുകളുടെ each and every സെക്കൻഡും ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഫേസ്ബുക്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെലവാക്കുന്ന ഓരോ സമയവും ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഡേറ്റയായിട്ട് മാറുന്നു. എനിക്ക് ഓരോ സമയത്തും ഓരോ ആപ്പുകളിൽ കൂടെ വരുന്ന അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റ് എല്ലാം ഇതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് എന്റെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റും ഓരോ കാര്യങ്ങളും കിട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ഇപ്പൊ ചെയ്യണത്. ഇത് ഒരു ടെക്നിക്കൽ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ്, ഒരു യൂസറിന് ഉപരി ടെക്നിക്കൽ സ്റ്റുഡന്റിനോളം നാളെ ഇത് നമുക്കൊരു പ്രതികൂല രീതിയിൽ തരാൻ സാധ്യതയില്ല. ഇതിനൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ നോക്കി കാണണ്ടേ?
Very good. Yeah. Sahad, right. So this can be a good insight to your friends also, right? So what we needed is actually only one decision. The presence in the cyber world is very difficult. Cyber era. Presence in the cyber era is actually right. Nothing like it. It is actually a big trouble. Sahad, my point, right? What you wanted to take a decision. While if you are presenting in the cyber world is none other than you will have to come up with a quote in your mind, I am ethically strong. I am ethically strong. If otherwise, see, you know that nothing is deleted in the cyber world. Everything will be, as you said, as you rightly said, everything will get recorded, right? So unless if you are ethically strong, nothing, no worries, yeah, no worries. That is it clear?
ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്കപ്പോ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളിപ്പോ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ ഒക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ഞങ്ങളെ പോലുള്ള സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ടിപ്പ് തരാനുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ട രീതിയിലോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫേസ്ബുക്ക്, ഞാൻ ഫേസ്ബുക്കും ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാമും ഫേസ്ബുക്കിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാത്ത ആളാണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മള് യൂട്യൂബിൽ പോവാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ റെക്കമെൻഡേഷനിലേക്കൂടെ പോകരുത്. കാരണം നമ്മളുടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ കൂടുതലത് കാരണമാവും. നമ്മുടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്, നമ്മുടെ പ്രൈവസി ഡേറ്റ കൂടുതൽ കൊടുക്കാതെ നമുക്ക് സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പോസിബിൾ ആക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ടിപ്പ് സാറിന് തരാൻ പറ്റും?
Okay, so in that case, you may use some of the other browsers, right? So some other browsers and all, without identity, without revealing identity and all. But even though we are in the social, right? Being a social animal, right? So I think there is no issue, right, in using that. But I have a suggestion to you all. Right, one thing is actually right. Whenever don't say if you are asking about a picture, right? Don't don't try to take a picture of your private moments. That will be a trouble, right? If you are just going to open your Google Drive at this point in time, now you can see that there will be an unexpected picture will be there of yours, right? You might not have been noticed. Let us assume that if you have just opened it up from a cafe and you forgot actually to sign it out, you might have a random thought on your process mind that, hey, ഞാനൊരു മെയിലല്ലേ യൂസ് ചെയ്തോളൂ, അതിപ്പോ സൈൻ ഔട്ട് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിലും എന്താണ്. But that is sufficient for you to get entry to the Google Drive, അല്ലേ? എന്റെ മെയിലിനകത്ത് എന്തുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളതായിരിക്കാം തോട്ട്, അല്ലേ? അത് മതി എന്തിലേക്ക്? ഗൂഗിൾ ഡ്രൈവിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാൻ. ഗൂഗിൾ ഡ്രൈവിൽ എന്തുണ്ട്? നിങ്ങളുടെ മൊബൈൽ ഫോണുമായിട്ട് സിങ്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഡാറ്റയുണ്ട്, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കൂ, ഓട്ടോ സിങ്കിങ് എനേബിൾഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഡേറ്റ വിൽ ബി ദർ ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് ജസ്റ്റ് ക്യാപ്ചർഡ് യുവർ പ്രൈവറ്റ് മൊമെന്റ്, ഇല്ലേ? അതാ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്, റൈറ്റ്? എവറിബഡി ഹാസ് their own private space, right? Again, if you are just asking me whether how to move away from all this kind of data tracking, my friend, I have a to say you that it is impossible, sir, because
അതൊരിക്കലും സാധിക്കില്ലെന്നറിയാം. അപ്പൊ
correct, because ISRO says if you can detect an object which is actually 5 meters away from the earth, right? So it is even നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം മൊബൈൽ ഫോണും ഒക്കെ സ്വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് എല്ലാം എടുത്ത് കളഞ്ഞു, ഞാൻ പോവാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക സഹാൻ, റൈറ്റ്? the satellite will track you, right? So of course it is actually a matter of time.
ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാനുള്ള കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, നമ്മളുടെ പ്രൈവറ്റ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റുകളെല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കി നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ഒരു ഡിസിഷൻ എടുക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ മെഷീൻ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നാളെ നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പോകുന്ന ഭവിഷ്യത്തുകൾ, ആ ഒരു ഫാക്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത്.
Two things are there. Academia is running behind positives, right? Some of the negative interested ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരും ഇതിനകത്ത് ഉണ്ട്, റൈറ്റ്? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് അതിന്റെ റിവ്യൂവും കാര്യങ്ങളിലും ടെക്നോളജി എനേബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൊല്യൂഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ, ഒരു ആപ്പ് ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ്, അല്ലേ? ഒരു ആപ്പ് ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ആ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നന്നായിരിക്കും. സഹാദ്, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ പിന്നെ പറയാറുള്ള ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്, റൈറ്റ്? സേ പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഓഫീസ് ടെക്നോ പാർക്കില് -1 ഫ്ലോറിലാണ്. അപ്പൊ രാവിലെ ഒരു സണ്ണി ഡേയിലാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും അകത്തേക്ക് കയറി പോവാറ്. പെട്ടെന്ന് പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ മൊബൈലിൽ ഒരു 3 മണിയായപ്പോ ഒരു മെസ്സേജ് വരികയാണ് ഊബറിൽ നിന്ന്. എന്താണ് ഊബറിൽ നിന്ന് വന്ന മെസ്സേജ് എന്ന് അറിയാമോ? റൈറ്റ്? സോ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് മെസ്സേജ്: ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ട്രെയിനി? ഡോണ്ട് വറി, ഊബർ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, 40 രൂപ ഓഫ്. റൈറ്റ്? അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താ, ഊബറിന് എന്താ വട്ടായോ, ഞാനൊരു സണ്ണി ഡേയിലാണ് എന്റെ ഓഫീസിലേക്ക് വന്നത്. അപ്പൊ എന്നാലും ഊബർ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കാൻ താല്പര്യമില്ലല്ലോ, സാധ്യതയില്ലല്ലോ എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചത് നമ്മൾ അകത്തേക്ക് കയറി ചെല്ലുകയാണ്, പുറത്തേക്ക് വന്ന് നിൽക്കുകയാണ്, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫ്ലോറിലേക്ക് വരികയാണ്. അപ്പോ നല്ല ഉഗ്രൻ മഴ. എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നു ഊബർ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? നമ്മുടെ ലാറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡും ലോഞ്ചിറ്റ്യൂഡും ഊബർ കളക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അല്ലേ? ലാറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡും ലോഞ്ചിറ്റ്യൂഡും ഊബർ കളക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ഏരിയയിൽ മഴയുണ്ട്, റൈറ്റ്? ടെക്നോ പാർക്ക് ഏരിയയിൽ മഴയുണ്ട്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ബെറ്റർ ടു സെൻഡ് സം മെസ്സേജസ് ടു ദ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ്, റൈറ്റ്? ഞാൻ ബൈക്കിലാണ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളതെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തേനെ ഊബർ, അല്ലേ? റൈറ്റ്? സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് positives and negatives are there, but specifically away from negatives. That is my advice, small advice. Cyber world presence is actually big trouble, I know that, but even though ethically strong away from negatives, that is the only suggestion which I have.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Clear, Sahar?
Yeah.
Thank you. So Ashruti has a question: how does the data scientist or data analyst add value to the company? Okay. 40 or 50 years from now, machine learning is progressing. Data analytics and insight from data could be done by machines. What is your thought on this? Because technology might rule the world. Okay, Sahadu ചോദിച്ച ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ വേറൊരു രൂപം, റൈറ്റ്? അങ്ങനെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ, if a kind of a situation comes into the picture, Ashwati, only one element for us to survive is none other than empathy. Machine does not have empathy. That is the only term, only situation, only scenario that we can survive. Empathy is going to be will help you out in that scenario, right? So of course we can't expect negative impacts are there. But if you 70 people are here, if you are just going to take a strong decision that I am just going to, I will be positive always, and I am not going to write even a single negative code, right? Thus we can bring the change, right? So at the outset, we'll have to have a realization that this is actually, technology is actually for supporting the people, right? as you said, it should not overrule us, right? That is the case, Ashwati. Then what is your first question? Of course, add value to the company. Company is actually right. So yeah, let us assume that their business, right, their product review. They have. Let us assume that they have recently released a mobile phone. Based on the product review, you are just going to make a suggestion to your organization saying that, hey, based on the review, I'm recommending you, or data science team as a team, we are recommending you that we'll have to increase the maybe the size of our display. That is the only thing. That is the only negative thing comes in every review. That is actually a positive suggestion. In the next version, company think like that, right? Based on the input from the customer, they can take the decision. That is one of the requirements which I have pointed out, right? So likewise, numerous features are there, especially once you are into the organization, you will have to support the application part, application development part. Based on the application, you'll have to analyze the data and you may have to support the organization. Ashwati. Is it clear, Ashwati, Kalesh? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's clear.
So, Sharna is, sir, what are the career opportunities in data science, right? I have mentioned in my last slide. So, Sharna, it is again, right, yeah, it is a good, it is actually one of the basic requirements in the current scenario. We'll have to say that everywhere you can see a data scientist, right? So it is always better to learn because another 50, as some of you have rightly mentioned, another 50 years will take to come up with the positive the standalone or the unconsciously conscious stage of an artificial intelligence system. In that case, I think it will be always great if you can stick on data science to move further, because 50 years of time, next to 50 years of time is going to be very crucial, especially it is connected with it is connected in our time also, during this time, especially in your career time, right? So that is my turn on that. Yes, I think I have answered your question.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions, or what do you think?
So I believe the Q&A is done. So I'm moving on. I request Mr. Jibin N, Assistant Professor, Department of MCA, and IEDC Nodal Officer, MES IMAT, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Afna. Good afternoon, one and all. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks. I may like to express our sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Srikanth D, for giving an excellent coverage of the topic, demystifying data science. Thank you. I extend my gratitude to Advocate A. Abul Hassan, Secretary, MES IMAT, and Dr. P. A. Habib Rahman for their enthusiastic support. Also, I thank HOD MCA Sharjah Aziz for her guidance. I would like to thank the organizing team, teachers, and all the participants for their presence and cooperation. Thank you. Thank you all.
Data is a precious thing and will last longer than the system themselves. After weighing the pros and cons of data science, we are able to envision the full picture of this field. While data science is a field with many lucrative advantages, it also suffers from its disadvantages. Being a less saturated, high paying field that has revolutionized several walks of life, it also has its own backdrops when considering the immensity of the field and its cross disciplinary nature. Data science is an ever evolving field that will take years to gain proficiency. Let's wind up today's session. Thank you everyone for your patience and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.